Your density of a rod 10 meters long is a function of the distance from one end. The density function is this: 17 over radical 3x plus 5 kilograms per meter. Find the average density of the rod. Okay, well, the average density is 1 over, well, let's see what this rod looks like. We have a rod which is going to be 10 meters long, so this is 0, this is 10. They're telling me as I move along the x-axis, as x increases from 0 to 10, the density changes. So it's a variable density as we move along the rod. Well, the average value is just so the density average equals 1 over 10 minus 0, the integral from 0 to 10 of the function 17 over radical 3x plus 5 dx. Okay, well, let's see, how are we going to solve that integral? Well, let's go ahead and do this. Let's do u is equal to 3x plus 5 to the 1/2 power. That's going to make du equals well, that's fine. 1/2 3x plus 5 to the negative 1/2 times 3 dx, which gives me 2 du divided by 3 is equal to dx over radical 3x plus 5. Perfect. That means, so our average density is equal to (1 over 10) from 0 to 10, 2 du over 3, right? Because now dx over 3x plus 5 is that right there. That's just 2/3 du, then times 17. So we're going to get 2 times 17 is 34 over 30. So we're going to get 34 over 30 times the integral du from 0 to 10, which equals 34 over 30 u 0 to 10 equals 34 to 30. U is equal to radical 3x plus 5 from 0 to 10. And when we solve this, we end up with 4.17 kilograms per meter. That's it. That's it. The average value of the density. They've given you a function. All this means is that when we move from 0 to 10, this is the density. As you move along the rod, it's more dense here towards the left end of the rod. As you move to the right, the density starts to decrease. That's it. That's all that's going on here. The average density is going to be the average value of the function. That is all. Hope that makes sense. So once again, the average value of the function, okay, over the interval from a to b is equal to 1 over b minus a, the integral from a to b of f of x dx. That is all. Thank you so much for joining us here at Educator.com. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.